to Dragon Expert. Today we're gonna talk. Oh, sorry. Today we're gonna do back on the Icestorm Island Expansion Pack. So let's talk about Hiccup. Okay.
Can you sort it out for me?
Yes, kidding. No, yeah, focus. So we're with Tanner, the deadly natter, and he's an adult. We're gonna.
Yeah, I don't know if I want that, but
Okay.
come check this out.
We're gonna just land down, and it's been a long time.
Most impressive.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this
This idea is pretty weird. So we're gonna chop trees. I always chop trees when agent dragons, especially agent dragons.
perfect. Come check this out.
Okay, we just walk.
Thanks, pal.
Okay.
Hey,
Seriously? You just... The grunsicle can fly, but it's still a baby. How can it fly when it's just a baby? This not make sense, man. Don't you know? But, okay. Okay. And end of quest. Okay, so I think we're just gonna land down with the flight suit because I think it's easier. Okay. I'm gonna tell you something. If you want to do this quest, I suggest you land down on the flight suit. But you can just land like me, like land on the back of it, and then you just walk. But not riding
all right.
the dragon.
What's
you must
next?
walk. So you have to take some little risk. Okay. You need to swim again. Like I pretty hate swimming. So
Most
it
impressive.
feels like he needs us to fishing. No, we just. Okay. So, do another quest? Or, let's see. What do we have? The what? Okay, new quest. The grunsicle have a quest, right? I think he has a quest. Because I haven't been doing Icestorm Island for a long time. Yeah, he did have a quest. I remember that his quest was fishing. I have fishing. So, I may make it faster and yes, get an Arctic char. Arctic chars were hard to get. And in the main account, I used a week. I can't get it. So, it may gonna take long. Brown trout lives in here. I think they're in the wilderness. They love cold. I'm running out of worms. I forgot to buy worms on this account. Just let it go.
15 minutes later.
So it's been 15 minutes, so we finally got the first out of char. We gotta get it. No, we need it though. Come on, baby. Come on. Almost just a little bit more. Yes, thanks. Nice job, guys. Okay, we got it. Then we're gonna feed it to the grunsicle. And, okay, what do we have? That has 2 question mark. Yup. Okay. Love it. What do we do? Yeah, no. I have dragon boots. I don't remember that. So I think this is just normal. We're just doing some quests like fast. But I was like pretty nervous these days because I was doing video. So bye.